Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about network topologies. This is my third video. Let's continue with the network tree topology. The tree topology combines the characteristics of the bus topology and the star topology. Here, tree topology is a type of structure where in which all the computers are connected with each other in the hierarchical fashion, like a tree. The topmost node in the tree topology is called root node, and all the other nodes are the descendants of the root node. There is only one path exists between two nodes for data transmission, thus it forms the parent-child hierarchy. In the simple way, we can say uh, this topology is tree topology, we can say. Tree topology is a topology where tree structure, which all the computers are connected like branches, which are connected with the tree. It is a combination of bus and star topology. What are the advantages of tree topology? Support for broadband transmission. Tree topology is mainly used to provide broadband transmission. Signals are sent over long distances without being attenuated, means without any disruption. Easily expandable, we can add the new devices to the existing network. Therefore, we can say that the tree topology is easy to expand. Easily manageable, that is, whole network is divided into segments, also known as star networks, which can easily managed and maintained. Error detection. Error detection and error correction is very easy in the tree topology. Limited failure, point-to-point firing. Disadvantages of the tree topology: difficult troubleshooting. If any other faults in the node, then it becomes difficult to troubleshoot the problem. High cost. Devices required for broadband transmission are very costly. Failure. Tree topology mainly relies on the main bus cable, and failure in the main bus cable will damage the overall network. Reconfiguration difficulty. If new devices are added, then it becomes difficult to reconfigure. Let's continue with the mesh topology. This is the structure of the mesh topology. Mesh topology is an arrangement of the network in which computers are interconnected with each other through various redundant connections. Redundant means it's like repetitive manner. There are multiple paths from one computer to another. It does not contain any hub switch or any central computer which acts as the central point of the communication. The network, the internet is an example of mesh topology. It is mainly used for WAN implementations where communication failures are a critical concern, and it is mainly used in the wireless networks. Mesh topology is divided into two categories, that is full mesh topology and partially mesh topology. It means full mesh topology means each computer is connected to all the computers, and partially is not all but certain computers are connected to those computers which can communicate very frequently, or we can say we can very frequently the communication is passing between the specific computers. Let's see the advantages of mesh topology: reliable, fast communication, and easy configuration. What are the disadvantages of mesh topology? Cost, management, and efficiency. Hybrid. This is the sixth topology. Hybrid is a way where different type of topologies being involved, like star topology, ring, bus, any different type of topologies. It is a combination of the various different topologies is called hybrid topology. It is a connection between different links and nodes to transfer the data. When two or more different topologies are combined, it is termed as hybrid topology. For example, if there exists a ring topology in one branch of ICICI Bank, but bus topology is another branch of ICICI Bank. So the connection between the two topologies will result into hybrid topology. Advantages of hybrid topology: reliable, scalable, flexible, and effectiveness. Disadvantages is complex design, costly hub, and costly infrastructure. Costly infrastructure is one of the basic disadvantage of hybrid because it requires the lots of cabling, network devices, etc. If you like our video, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.